The landlord couldn't understand it. 3 tenants in 2 weeks, all fleeing Daniel's old apartment like something was chasing them. The first tenant, Sarah, lasted her only 4 days. She called frantically about whispers in the walls at night, voices that seemed to come from nowhere. "Someone's talking to me," she said, "but I'm alone." The second tenant, Marcus, made it 6 days. Every morning he'd wake to find the balcony door wide open, wind howling through the apartment. He swore he locked it every night. The third tenant, Lisa, discovered something that made her blood run cold. Superman comics appeared on the coffee table, comics that weren't there before. Then came the whispers, the open door, the pull toward the balcony. One night she found herself standing on the edge, 12 stories up. "You're ready now," a voice whispered from the darkness. She snapped awake, stumbled backward, and ran. The apartment sits empty now. The balcony door stays open, waiting.